Is a trader's success solely based on their ability to constantly outguess the market? While an 80 or 90% win rate might sound attractive, it can also be unrealistic. And even if a trader was able to achieve that impressive performance, would it ensure success? No, it wouldn't. There's more to trading than hoping and guessing. And while analysis can help locate trends or distill trade ideas, analysis will never be perfectly predictive. And as long as a trader runs the risk of one losing trade wiping out the gains from numerous winners, well, then success can remain frustratingly out of reach. This is where a trader's skill with managing risk can factor into the equation. And that is just one aspect of honing an approach to the market that can impact results. The Trader's Course from Forex.com goes in-depth on risk and money management, along with the ever-important topic of trading psychology. There's also a focus on analysis, with the goal to generate ideas that can be evaluated as probabilities, not certainty. We condense a wide world of market observation into a core of fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and price action. This course offers more than 6 hours of content on a wide range of topics, and a number of strategies to help traders build their own personalized approach towards navigating financial markets. For more details or to request access, please click the link. Join us in the Trader's Course today.